Hello everyone and welcome back to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to get paid daily within 24 hours using 7 different websites. These are easy work from home jobs that can help you start earning quickly. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or seeking new career opportunities with flexibility, this video is for you. Let's get started on your journey towards daily income. Our first stop is Upwork, a powerhouse in freelancing. You can find clients who pay daily for tasks like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Focus on projects with urgent deadlines for quick payouts. Highlight your ability to deliver high-quality work fast in your proposals. Building a strong reputation on Upwork is crucial for attracting high-paying clients. Consider offering package deals with multiple revisions to maximize earnings. Upwork is an excellent platform to start freelancing with daily payments. Next up, Fiverr, where you can turn your talents into profitable gigs starting at $5. Offer gigs with fast turnaround times for daily payouts. Highlight your ability to deliver high-quality work within 24 hours in your gig descriptions. Use keywords like fast delivery and same-day turnaround to attract clients. Offer gig extras for additional services to maximize earnings. Create eye-catching gig videos to stand out. Fiverr provides a platform to monetize your skills and earn daily income. Clickworker offers a simple way to earn extra cash with micro tasks. These tasks range from data categorization to survey participation. Clickworker provides daily payments, so you see rewards quickly, work whenever you want, and choose tasks that interest you. Focus on tasks you can complete quickly to maximize earnings. Look out for bonus opportunities and special promotions. Clickworker is a hassle-free way to earn daily income. With user testing, you can get paid for browsing the web and sharing your opinions, provide feedback on websites and apps, and get paid within 24 hours. Sign up, complete a short sample test, and start receiving paid test invitations. Each test takes around 15 to 20 minutes and pays about $10. Complete your profile thoroughly to match with relevant tests. Be honest and articulate in your feedback for genuine insights. User testing is a fun and rewarding way to earn extra cash. Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk offers a vast array of micro tasks for daily earnings. Tasks range from data entry to language translation. There are always new tasks being posted, so you can find something interesting. Focus on completing a high volume of tasks quickly and accurately. Identify tasks you can complete efficiently and set daily goals. Look for tasks from reputable requesters to avoid issues. MTurk is a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn money online. Rev connects businesses with skilled transcribers for daily earnings. You can request daily payouts once you reach a certain earnings threshold. Pass a short transcription test to access a wide range of jobs. Choose projects that interest you, from podcasts to business meetings. Develop your transcription skills for accuracy and speed. Focus on higher pay rate projects for more earnings. Rev is a rewarding way to earn money online using your typing skills. TaskRabbit connects you with local gigs for daily earnings. From furniture assembly to grocery shopping, there's a diverse range of tasks. Set your own hours and choose the tasks you want to complete. Create a comprehensive profile highlighting your skills and experience. Set competitive rates for your services. Provide excellent customer service for positive reviews and repeat business. TaskRabbit is an excellent platform to earn money by helping others. To maximize your earnings on these platforms, it's important to manage your time effectively. Set specific goals for how many tasks or gigs you want to complete each day. Keep track of your earnings and expenses to understand your profit margins. This can help you identify which tasks are most lucrative and worth your time. Prioritize high-paying tasks and focus on completing them efficiently. This will help you maximize your earnings in the shortest amount of time. Remember to take breaks to avoid burnout. Working continuously without rest can reduce your productivity and the quality of your work. Utilize productivity tools and apps to help you stay organized and manage your time better. These tools can help you track your progress and stay on top of your tasks. A strong profile is key to attracting clients. Ensure your profile on each platform is complete and showcases your skills and experience. Include a professional photo, a detailed description of your services, and examples of your work. Positive reviews and ratings will also help you stand out. Update your profile regularly to reflect your latest skills and achievements. This shows potential clients that you are active and committed to your work. Highlight your unique selling points and what sets you apart from other freelancers. This can help you attract more clients and higher paying jobs. Engage with the community on these platforms by participating in forums and discussions. This can help you build your network and gain more visibility. Clear communication with clients is crucial for securing repeat business and positive reviews. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Make sure to set clear expectations about the scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. This helps to avoid misunderstandings and ensures a smooth working relationship. Provide regular updates to your clients on the progress of their projects. This keeps them informed and reassured that you are on track. Be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments as needed. This shows your clients that you are dedicated to delivering high-quality work. Build long-term relationships with your clients by providing excellent service and maintaining good communication. This can lead to more repeat business and referrals. Working from home requires discipline and organization. Create a dedicated workspace and set a schedule that allows you to focus on your tasks. Stay motivated by setting personal and financial goals. Celebrate your successes and learn from any challenges to keep improving your work from home experience. Take care of your well-being by maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Make time for exercise, hobbies, and relaxation to stay energized and productive. Stay connected with others by joining online communities and networking with fellow freelancers. This can provide support, inspiration, and opportunities for collaboration. Keep learning and improving your skills by taking online courses and staying updated with industry trends. This can help you stay competitive and open up new opportunities for growth. Here you have it. These 7 websites offer fantastic opportunities to get paid daily for work you can do from the comfort of your home. Whether you have a few hours a day or are looking for a full-time remote job, these platforms can help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching.